If your phone calls are continuously dropping and you get the message that SIM card is not installed in your phone even though you have SIM card installed, then let us see some of the ways to fix the issue. Now the first way is to simply restart your phone. If you are using Samsung phone, pull down the screen, again pull down, tap on this power button here, and if you tap on restart, your phone will restart. So after restarting the phone, check if there is signal in your phone. The other thing that you will do is you will go to settings here, go to this option here, general management, go to reset and select this option, reset all settings, and then reset. So this does not delete any data, but if you had made some custom settings, that might be changed. Now after that, the other thing that you will do is take out the SIM card from your phone, clean the SIM card, and if you have another SIM card tray, insert your SIM card in that tray and restart the phone and check if the phone works or not. After that, the last thing that you will do is, if possible, use your SIM card in another phone and check if the SIM card is working or not. If you see that the SIM card does not work in another phone, that means there is some problem with the SIM card. In that case, you have to get your SIM card replaced.